Sierra classic pickup truck. The old plow truck. We're off to do some chores. Take some parts out of the barn.
It's having some trouble with the trailer for the brake.
Oh yeah?
I had to pop it apart.
Oops. We don't want trouble with brakes. Even with the yard truck. Paint's a little bit faded, but it's one solid pickup, this thing. Has a Chevy 327 in it from, I think it's a 64 Impala or something like that. Yeah, 327, 64 Impala. Engine. We'll go see what we have in the barn in a couple of seconds. See what car adventures we got today. '77 GMC. Stereo. Look at the old, ancient oil pressure gauge down there too. Pretty wild. Car with a bit of work, this truck with a bit of work, it certainly be roadworthy again. One solid GMC. Back in time to another place we go. See you later, everybody. Well, taking a load of scrap, dented doors, old doors and things. Farm truck doing its chores. 77 Chevy pickup, GMC pickup, excuse me.
I said to wash the bird, usually wash.
Ah, it's fine like that. It's a farm truck. Look at that, it's off to the dump, to the dump, to the dump, 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 to the dump, to the dump, to the dump, dump, dump. Oh, there we go. We're back soon to see what's sitting inside the barn in the way of old parts. All being cleaned out. Be back soon.